Good morning. Today we're going to be learning about maintaining tools. Okay. Today what we're going to be looking at is literally maintaining bolsters. Okay. You use these in lots of different things, chasing out walls, cutting bricks, all different types of stuff. But with just an ordinary bolster, things actually do need maintaining. As you can see on top of the head is now started to split. Okay. This is where we literally constantly hit it with a hammer. Okay, these little ends at the moment, they're just started to split now. Yeah, what we would actually do with this is we wouldn't let that get too far, because what happens is the more you hit that, the more these split. The more they split, the more chances of a piece of metal breaking off and actually flicking up, maybe going into your eye, something like that. So today what we're going to learn how to do is literally grind this back to a good, safe working bolster. Okay, right, the main machine we're going to be using is obviously this one here. Okay, there's two different types of blades. This one here is a more coarser blade, yeah, rough. Okay, this one here is more smooth, which is used for smoothing. What we were going to do first off is we're going to use this blade first to take a lot of that off. Okay, that will actually take that off quite quickly, and then we're going to use this one just to smooth it down to make sure we haven't got no burrs or anything else like that left on. When using one of these machines, okay, you need to be trained. Okay, lots of things can go wrong. If you're not too sure how to use them, you could actually put this in at a wrong angle, all of a sudden, boom, flies out. That could hit you, and that sort of thing coming out of you, hitting you, it's going to cause a lot of damage. Okay, so you need to be trained on any type of machine. Right, what we've got, these points here, we've got literally an angle point set at 45mm. That's an angle plate set at 45mm, and we've got a flat plate. The angle plate is mainly used for literally shaping angles, i.e. chisels. Chisels set at a 45-degree angle. Also plane irons, which we learnt about, I think it was a few weeks ago, where we learnt how to actually sharp our planes and things like that. On this particular machine, there is a guard. Okay, this guard must be always down. Okay, it actually says on there, always wear goggles. You may tell me and think, well, why do I need goggles when I've got a guard? Anything could happen, a little piece could fly underneath, anything like that. So always protect yourself, always. Even if it means you go over the top with your PPE, always protect yourself. Right, I'm not going to talk too much now because you won't be able to hear me, but this is what we're actually going to do. We're actually going to now sharpen that to a standard where it's safe to use. Okay? Right, let's give me glasses. Right. I'm not too sure if you can hear me. As you can see, both wheels are running. So it's important when you're sharpening that, you don't put your hand anywhere near the opposite one. Okay? What we're going to do is we're going to use the rough one first to take a lot of the metal off straight away now. Okay? So all we do, fingers always back from now. And all we're going to do is this. Slowly turn and rotate. I'm just going to do a little bit first off. As you can see, the nice shiny surface now, that's actually now grinding down what we want. Okay, so look, if you see the shiny bit there, so the bit I haven't done, it's literally grinding the metal back down to where it should be. Once we've gone round, as you can see, it's coming round quite nicely. We're taking off a lot of the cracks and all the rest of it. Always, once you're grinding, when you've done it a little bit, dip it in a little bit of water. Okay? This stops the actual metal from heating up. When metal heats up, it actually gets brittle. Okay? So we always try to make sure we keep the actual metal nice and cool while we're grinding. Okay, that is really, really important that you always make sure you dip it in water after about 15 seconds, take it out, dip it in a little bit of water, cools the metal down, doesn't do no damage to the metal. Because at the moment I'm feeling now, that's lukewarm now. I know if I didn't dip it in water and touch the end, it would actually be very hot and could even cause quite a nasty burn. Okay? Right, as you can see, we've now near enough grinded off all of what we need. Okay, most of the actual cracks have gone, but if you notice, we got a few little burrs just underneath there. Okay, they're little tiny bits of metal. Yeah, we need now to take them out too. Okay, so now we're going to now use the other machine, which is a lot smoother. This is just going to smooth everything out. Right, as you can now see, I don't know if you can see the steam coming off of this, I'm hoping you can. That's how hot these actual things do get, okay? That's why Turnman said it's important that you do use water, okay? At the moment, we're near enough there. We've got a little tiny bit there, which we're just going to finish off, just grinding down. Right, there we go, finished. Now back safe, no burrs, no cracks, safe to use. Okay, even flatten the head off. The head's always important that it is flat. If it's rounded, when you go to hit with a hammer, it could even literally, as you hit it like that, the hammer could slip either side. Next minute, ouch, you're going to hit your hands. Okay, thanks a lot.